Hello and welcome to PeekAboo-AI Surveillance. This is the channel where we dive deep into the fascinating and sometimes spooky world of AI and video and audio surveillance. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any crucial news or information. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. I'm glad you're here. Don't forget to check the description below for any helpful links related to today's topic. Alright, let's get into it. Today, we're talking about cloud-based video surveillance, also known as video surveillance as a service. Think of it as the next generation of security systems. Instead of storing video footage on a physical DVR or NVR at your location, these systems record in real time and send everything over the internet to secure remote servers. What does this mean for you? It means you can access your live and recorded footage anytime, anywhere, right from a cloud-based app on your phone or computer. So, what are the biggest advantages of switching to a cloud system? First up is remote access and management. You can view your cameras, manage recordings, and get alerts no matter where you are in the world. This is a game changer for anyone needing to monitor multiple locations, like a business with several branches. Next is scalability. Cloud-based systems are incredibly flexible. Need to add more cameras or increase your storage? It's simple. You can expand your setup without buying and installing a bunch of new hardware on site. This makes growing your security network a breeze. Then there's security and reliability. Storing your footage off-site in the cloud protects it from physical damage, theft, or vandalism at your property. If someone breaks in and steals your local recorder, they can't steal the evidence because it's already safe and sound on a secure server. This adds a powerful layer of protection. Now for the really cool part, AI and analytics. Modern cloud systems are packed with advanced AI-powered features. We're talking about intelligent motion detection that can tell the difference between a person and a passing car, person of interest alerts that notify you when a specific individual is seen, and even cross-site search capabilities that let you find footage of a person or vehicle across all your cameras in seconds. Another huge benefit is the reduced hardware. Since most of the heavy lifting like storage and processing happens in the cloud, you don't need a lot of bulky, complex equipment at your location. This simplifies installation and reduces clutter. And finally, you get automatic updates. Your cameras and software are updated automatically by the service provider. This ensures you always have the latest features and, more importantly, the most up-to-date security patches to protect your system from cyber threats. When you're looking into cloud surveillance, you'll generally find two main types. The first is pure cloud, where cameras connect directly to the internet and everything is managed online. It's the simplest setup. The second is hybrid cloud. This approach uses some on-site storage, like an NVR as a temporary buffer. It records locally first and then uploads to the cloud. This provides redundancy in case your internet goes down and can help reduce bandwidth usage. Because of their flexibility and ease of use, these cloud systems are becoming incredibly popular across all sorts of industries, from retail stores and manufacturing plants to schools and office buildings. They offer a cost-effective and powerful way to handle modern security challenges. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. All the links I mentioned will be in the description below. If you found this helpful, please subscribe so you stay informed on all the latest in AI surveillance. Keep an eye out for the other videos popping up on your screen for more content like this, and remember, PeekAboo, I see you now.